Welcome to Naina Art TV.
Hey everyone, today we are going to make a rainbow Play-Doh birthday cake. This is what we need: a rolling pin, cutting tool, plastic bowl to use it as a round cutter. Now let's start by rolling out red Play-Doh. We need to roll the Play-Doh big enough to fit the round cutter. With this blue plastic bowl, we will press down the Play-Doh to make a nice circle. It looks so nice and circular. Now let's repeat the same step to all the colors of the rainbow. Next color is orange. Roll and press. It's super easy and fun. Yellow, green, blue, purple, and lastly let's add the pink one. All done. We will build up the cake from the bottom up, so let's start with color pink. We are going to make a cake as its one slice has been already cut out. Now use the previous layer as a guide and repeat the triangular cutting through all the color. The blue layer looks like a blueberry cake. I suppose the green layer would probably taste like a kiwi. If this was real, what flavor do you think the yellow layer would taste like? Now the orange cake would definitely have to be in a orange flavor, right? Strawberry flavor would be a good one for the red cake layer. We are going to put some cream layer on top of the cake by using white Play-Doh. Roll and press. Trim out the triangle shape. All the layers are done. They look so colorful. Now with this extruder, we will be making frostings. As you can see, we can choose different shapes of the frosting, and we will be using this sun shape. Look how the white Play-Doh comes out all fluffy. We can gently drill around pieces of white frosting on top of the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and lastly 7. Let's decorate the cake with these mini rainbow balls. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. Of course, we can't forget about the sprinkles. Now rainbow cake is done. Let's light up the birthday candles. Let's cut a pieces to share. Look at this smooth variation of rainbow colors. Cool. Thanks for watching.